Welcome to this comprehensive overview of LocalCryptos, a decentralized peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading platform that puts the power of secure, private, and direct trading in the hands of its users. LocalCryptos is renowned for its robust escrow service, ensuring every transaction is safe and free from fraudulent activities. With support for multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular assets, this platform stands out for its ease of use and high level of security. To start, LocalCryptos operates entirely without intermediaries, which means no centralized authority holds your funds. You have full control over your wallet and transactions. The platform features an intuitive user interface where buyers and sellers can create offers or browse listings to find the best deals. Transactions are protected by a smart contract-based escrow system, ensuring a safe and transparent process. One of the most attractive features of LocalCryptos is its focus on privacy. Unlike many centralized exchanges, LocalCryptos does not require extensive personal information for verification. You can trade with minimal disclosure, making it ideal for those who value anonymity. To begin trading, all you need to do is sign up, create or respond to offers, and complete the transaction securely within the platform. LocalCryptos supports multiple payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and even cash in person. This flexibility ensures you can find a payment option that suits your needs. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back to LocalCryptos. The platform also includes an integrated wallet, allowing you to store your cryptocurrency safely. The wallet is non-custodial, meaning only you have access to your private keys. This level of control is a cornerstone of the platform's commitment to decentralization and security. Additionally, LocalCryptos provides a robust feedback and rating system to help users identify trustworthy trading partners. This builds confidence in every transaction and creates a safer trading environment for everyone. For those new to cryptocurrency trading, LocalCryptos offers a smooth onboarding experience with comprehensive guides and customer support. Whether you're buying your first Bitcoin or you're an experienced trader looking for a decentralized platform, LocalCryptos has you covered. Make sure to subscribe to this video and give it a like to stay updated with the latest crypto trading tips and guides.